Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about food poisoning. Food poisoning is a spreading of bacteria in the stomach due to contaminated food. Diarrhea, stomachache, cramps are some of the common symptoms. Don't worry, we'll provide you with some of the simple remedies that you can try at home. We'll take 1 cup of hot water, then add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar to it. Mix this well and consume this before having your food for relief from food poisoning. And this is another simple remedy where you take 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, add a pinch of sugar to it, mix it well and have this 2 to 3 times a day for immediate relief from food poisoning. Take a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of curd, 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds to it, mix it well. When you consume this, you just have to swallow the seeds and not chew them. The combining effect of yogurt and fenugreek seeds will give you immediate relief from stomachache and vomiting. Thanks for watching. I hope these remedies help you. Do like this video and subscribe to Style Craze for more such videos.